The secret communist printing press is a loaded gun aimed at your liberty, your family, and everything you stand for.
Nice day. Should be out playing golf. If you could enjoy that luxury. But you can't. You belong back at your office catching up with your work. But you can't enjoy that luxury either. You're a communist. Somewhere in the world, a time is set. Maybe Asia, maybe Europe, maybe right here. The Kremlin will give an order, and the slaves will march over a border, bomb a city, some incident the United States isn't going to like. So their first move is to protect the fifth column they've set up here. Wait a minute. That small matter I'm supposed to take care of for the party. At 10 o'clock tomorrow morning, you will purchase an electric typewriter with carbon ribbon attachment and book-face dies from Acme Office and Printing Supply Company. Deliver same personally to 1608 Hempstead Street. Electric typewriter, carbon ribbon, book-face type. You're an advertising man, Philbrick. Add it up.
The big communists are looking ahead to the day when they won't be able to publish magazines and newspapers out in the open. They're smart enough to realize that without printing presses, the effectiveness of their underground organization is practically zero. They're only as strong as their communication setup.
Then I'll purchase this electric typewriter as per instruction at 10 o'clock tomorrow morning, huh?
Right.
I'll take it. My car's outside. Could you help me put it in the back?